Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers, and I'm really sorry for being late for your new episode on complete interior design course, but let's begin today's. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. I make contents regarding interior designing, graphic design, UX UI design and all creative fields like architecture, interior design, be a bachelor's of planning, and any career that is creative and that is cool enough for a designer to make. So if you are interested, I even do contents regarding business models like enterprise design and service design. So if you are interested any of these topics, please hit subscribe button to my channel to keep updated about my next videos. And so let's begin with the mood board one. So what exactly is a mood board and how to make one, we'll understand today. So it's crudely, I usually use this word crudely, right, in many of my videos. So let's begin. Basically, crudely in any sense, it's just like taking up nice pictures, the kind of things you want to design in your interior spaces and color palette and everything, like how the flooring should be, and attaching them to a board in literal sense. That is what a mood board or an inspiration board means. Like so it will help you to design, it will help your client to understand, okay, what kind of ideas you are coming up with. So after client interview, if you haven't watched my older video on what questions you should ask to your clients, please go and check out. That is the previous episode before this one in the playlist. Please go and watch entire playlist to have a better understanding of this. Okay, there's a mistake in download spelling, please don't mind it, please ignore it. From my previous client's interview, whatever brief she gave me, I downloaded the photos, and photos are like this. Her brief was like she needs a workspace, so I made took some inspiration from, you can take it from anywhere. Pinterest is most important site, but so for your videos I have collected from some of other sites. And she wanted cozy chairs, she literally wanted a couch that where she sits in this position and she can work. So I just took this photo, I liked it so, but I didn't like the sofa, I just took it for the vibe of that, just like that. Then this is like storage cabinets. Then what I felt is usually most of the graphic designers or any designer in that sense, as I'm making a mood board or inspiration board for the design, every designer keeps some wall of their design things, or inspiration wall, which they can say there will be group of photos and all the sort of things, juggles, their family photo, anything that inspires them. Usually it will be graphic designers, for it's their work. So I thought I'll make an inspiration board around her living and working area, and so I kept it like that. Then she wanted, I felt it's always good to have wooden flooring, and my client said she needs a wooden flooring because she can't bear Delhi's winters. So if some person from Bombay has newly been into Delhi, you can understand their situation too cold, right? So my client is like that sort of a person, so she didn't wanted, she wanted a wooden flooring so it warms up and gives the coziness. So I came up with these sort of images for the bedroom, the lighting, and the kind of vibe she will get in the room. Can you see the right side, the flooring and all. So ceiling, I'm not using the similar one, but let's see what we'll do. So the cozy sofas I purchased, and this is a final mood board what I made. Color palette should have been changed a little bit, but my client's requirement was she wanted grayish or a harmonic background, and she wanted something to pop in it with a contrast. So these were the designs I came, like inspiration boards I came up with, and my client was really happy with it. And all I just need to change is, rather than using that pentagon, I would have used a rectangle, is what I felt with my own mood board. But quite a good example, you can do it in Canva, you can do it in PPT, or you can do it in Photoshop or any photo collage things you have, and just get that right idea in it. So this is my mood board. She said like she will prefer to have a gray color, or any gray scheme is very important for her. She said this because in that you can add on any color, and any graphic designer or any designer has these days have lots of love for gray, right? It goes with the black, white, and every pinch of color goes well with it. So I hope so. So hope you learned enough with this video. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please check out my channel for other contents regarding these sort of topics or any design related fields. Thank you guys.